My name is Teacher Beth. Teacher Beth. That's my name. What is your name? James. Hello, James. How are you today? Good. All right. And I have a friend with me. Do you know who he is? All right. Here you go. Hello. Yes, it's a monkey. And his name is Bobo. Say hello to Bobo. Bobo, can you say hello to James? Hello, James. Bobo will stay with us throughout our lesson today. Okay, for the meantime, say bye-bye to Bobo. Bye, Bobo. See you later. Today, we're going to have our lesson and it's all about vowels. Are you excited? Yes, we're going to learn the sound of the vowels. Are you ready? Alright, the vowel sound of letter A, letter E, letter I, letter O, and letter U. Are you ready? Yay! Let's begin with letter A. The sound of letter A is A. Put your hand under your chin, open your mouth, relax your tongue, and say A. A. Very good. And the example of A is apple. Apple. Apple starts with letter A. The sound is A. Can you say A, apple? Good job. Another example is ambulance. A, ambulance. Can you say A, ambulance? Good job. And another letter is letter E. And the sound of letter E is E. 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 Can you say E? Good job. Example of letter E, the sound is E, is egg. E, egg. Can you say E, egg? Good job. And another example is elbow. 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 Can you say elbow? Good job. Because of that, I'm going to give you a star. Yay! Party, party! Alright, and our next letter is letter I. And the sound of letter I is E. E. Can you say the sound of letter I? Very good. Alright, and the example of letter I or E is an igloo. Igloo. E, igloo. Can you say E, igloo? Go. Good job. And another example is iguana. Iguana. Can you say Iguana. Good job. Because of that, I'm gonna give you 2 stars. Yay! And our next letter is letter O. And the sound of letter O is O. 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 Can you say O? Very good. And the example of O is octopus. Octopus. O. Octopus. Can you say O octopus? Yes, very good. And another example is O onion. O onion. Can you say O onion? Good job. And because of that, I will give you 3 stars. Yay! And our next vowel sound is letter U. Letter U. And the sound of letter U is ah. Ah. Can you say ah? Again? Good job. And the example of ah is umbrella. Ah, umbrella. Can you say ah, umbrella? Good job. And another example is under. Ah, under. Ah, under. Can you say under? Good job. And because of that, I'm going to give you 5 stars. Yay! And we're going to sing a song, the vowel sound song. A for apple, F for egg, and E is for iguana. O for octopus, A for umbrella, A, E, E, O, O. These are the sounds of vowels. Yay! That's the end of our lesson for today. It's all about vowels. Thank you for attending my class. Bye!